everybody. Today I thought we'd do a swatch party of all my Pastel Roses UK singles. There are quite a few here, there are more to come. These are old, new, special edition Christmas ones and pretty much everything in between. They do eyeshadow palettes. My favourite one of those is this. It's the Rose Delight, which looks like that and is a thing of beauty and is often used for a woman that has a ridiculous amount of palettes. I do love this one more than any of their others, and I've got quite a few of those too. But their singles are exceptional. They're really interesting. So let's get into it. These three at the top here, they really are, although they look quite white, certainly from my angle, you can see maybe there's shifts in them. This one, Fairy Dust, is positively pink. Snowdonia is at least a duochrome, possibly a multichrome, and then the other one that looks white is called Vision, and that's quite lemony. So we'll swatch those first. I'll just do them on the back of my hand. And as to what's available right now, I honestly can't say, but those are gorgeous, aren't they? And then below that we've got Golden Rose, which is one of my favourites. And it's a champagne, but it's also quite pink and exceptionally beautiful. Okay, next we have Forbidden Love, which is a beautiful goldy bronze antique sort of shade. And that is just lovely. And then Reverie, which is super shiny. And oh my god, that's one of my favourite shades. And then finally below that, we've got Rendezvous, great name, and it's a marbled shade that looks like this. It's kind of a silvery gunmetal gold, if that's a thing. It is now. So you see how spectacular they are. They're also terribly reasonably priced as well. Okay, coming down the next row, these are all pretty much neutrals, starting with Winter Tree, which is a bit of a marbled shade. Super lovely. Look at all the glitter left on my hand, it's crazy. Underneath that is Vogue. Different sort of shade, but equally shiny, in fact, maybe even more so. Beautiful. And then underneath that, we've got Classic, which is a really nice taupe. Look at that, that is so stunning. And then Rose, oh no, Glamour, I think this next one is. Yes, it is Glamour. Oh my goodness. Subtle differences, right? But beautiful. And then next we've got Rose Latte. So beautiful. I love that shade. All of them. Take it as read. This next one, Choco Pink, which almost looks, well, it does. Look at that. It shifts completely to green. When I'm looking at it, I see green, but on the screen I'm seeing pink. It's such a stunning shade. And then finally, Vintage Rose, which is also a marble. And looks like that. I'm trying to put it partly on the tattoo and partly not so that you can see what it looks like on bare skin. Wow, what a wonderful array of neutral shades they are. Okay, let's get on to the third row. These are more seasonal. All right, starting on this row, at the top we've got Watermelon, which is pink and green and silver and beautiful. Underneath that, this intriguing shade, which I'm just mixing together. Oh, and oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? It's called Nutcracker. So you could technically take bits of red, green or blue from it, but no. Haven't got time for that. It's beautiful. Below it we have Candy Cane, which is gold and red mixed together in the most delicious way. And then below that we've got Elf, which is green, red and white, which just basically looks a bright green. Oh my god. Obviously, you know, each pan is going to be different, so yours may be a little different than mine. And then below that, this intriguing shade is Botanique, which is gold and pink and truly very lovely. And then finally, Cream Dream, which is kind of yellow and blue, making this a pale gold. And isn't it lovely? Such a great colour. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so row 4, we're starting with, this one's quite satiny. It's not as shimmery as the others. It's called Thrill Seeker, but it has a very beautiful glow and is a very lovely colour. Below that, we've got Wild Heart. And this one is, I'd say it's a duochrome. It's very nice, actually. It's orange, but it's pink. Can you see it there? Very lovely shade. One of my favourites. And then, like an idiot, I bought the same shade twice. Like you do. Vixen. Pick up a bit of both. And that is a much deeper and very lovely colour. And below that one, we have a Fantasia. Just trying to find a clean finger. Here we go. Super shiny. Almost a lilac-y pink, which goes to gold. And then below that one, we've got Starlight, which is this. My hand is beyond redemption now. It's just glitter everywhere. And that's a silver and pink. Look at that, wow. And then finally, we've got Sugar and Spice, which is one of my favourites. It's not quite as shiny as some of the others, but it is such a gorgeous shade. Okay, so that's that row. Moving on. All right, so moving into the greys, blues and lilacs. Starting at the top, we've got Heartstone, which looks like that. Wow. And then Confetti, which really is, again, a mixture of various different shades, with the predominant one being lilac. That's how it comes out. And then Blue Aster. Aster as in the flower, not the rich family from America. It looks like that. It's a deeper and yet somehow silvery flip to it. It's just lovely. And then we've got Frozen. Don't panic, I'm not going to sing. And that's one of your typical blue golds. Lovely though, right? And then we've got Lilac Fusion, which looks like that. Again, it's another marbled shade. And then Lilac Rose. This is another favourite. Oh, it's so very gorgeous. And then finally, for this column, it's Blackberry, which looks like that. And it's kind of a red purple. Let's see if I can smooth that out a bit more for you. Not quite as shiny as some, but gorgeous, right? Okay. All right, the next row we have are the greens, and you can even see in the monitor, I'm seeing blue, you're seeing green there. That shade is called Amazonia, and it looks like that. And gold, wow. And then Kakapo, what a weird name, which is a gold green, very limey, very lovely. And then Forest Fairy, which looks like that. Lilac, blue, green. My God, another favourite shade. And then Let It Snow. So this is in the wrong section, but I have kind of done them by colour. Let It Snow is a very blue, lilac, silver. Gorgeous. And then we've got Stranger, which is this beautiful deep charcoal. grey. Isn't it lovely? And then Love Spell, which looks like that and goes for days. Whoa, okay, nearly there. Moving on to this row, which is more of the sort of peachy tones. This first one's called Carrot Cake. And again, it's another marbled shade. I am a sucker for them. Can't help myself. And it's peach, but it's also silver. Very glossy, super shiny. Beneath that, we've got Rosy, which is a much deeper, brighter pink and gold. And then below that one, we've got Nectarine. Very fun, goldy orange. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh, I want to wear it today. It's kind of, it's got a lot of slip to it. It's not a squishy shade at all. None of these are. They don't have any, you know, over emollients in them. But they just keep going. They're beautiful. So nice. And then finally for this row, we've got Happy Valentine's Day, which is more of a satin, but it's so impactful. That is a beautiful shade. Okay, and then we have Heartbreaker, which is another marbled shade. Oh, wow, it's so emollient, but not, you know, not squishy. And then Pyramid, which looks like this. Super, 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 super shiny. And then finally, it's Sweet as Sugar, which looks like that. And that is so cute. Another marbled shade. Silver, lilac. Stunning. All right, just 5 more to go. So the final 5 down here, we've got this beautiful golden colour, which is called Tempting, quite right. Below that is called Promise. Wow. And then Autumn Rush, great name. Whoa, look at the shift on that. I'm seeing gold, but you're seeing pink. That is stunning. And then Royal Temptation. Oh, that is so lovely. Again, another favourite shade. And then finally, Garden of Secrets, which is just so bright, so poppy, so delicious. And it's green and it's lilac and it is silver and lovely. All right, that's everything. Do let me know, what do you think about these shades? Do you buy pastel roses? If not, are you tempted? Wouldn't be surprised if you are. Like I say, I've got a couple more coming and more spots to fill. As I get them, I'll start putting them in with rankings, I think, you know, speed reviews from the month. I think that's going to be the easiest way of dealing with it, just to keep you up to date with what's new. Okay, I'll call that the end of this video. Say thanks for watching. See you soon for the next one. Bye.